Welcome back to my channel, your integration buddy. So in this today's tutorial, I'll let you know how do we encrypt or decrypt the sensitive properties in a MuleSoft project. The sensitive properties may be like the database passwords that we use in our MuleSoft projects. Okay, how do we encrypt or decrypt those? So this is the official documentation provided by MuleSoft. You can follow this link. Okay, so here the first step that we have to download the secure properties tool. So I have already downloaded it and kept at this location. Okay, so after this we download this tool, we have to run this command to encrypt the sensitive property. Okay, I'll just copy this command. So if you just run this command as is, you will make it will run fine on a Mac OS. Okay, but to make it run on Windows, let's make some modifications. Okay, so I'll just uh, make them in a straight line. Just move the slashes. Okay, so here what we are doing, because we are encrypting our sensitive property using the blowfish algorithm. Okay, so here you see the name of the algorithm called blowfish, but yes, you can use other algorithms as well. Which with which key we need to encrypt it, we have to mention that key, like we are using the integration key, and what is the value I want to encrypt. I'll just give this value. Okay, let's try to run this command on the command prompt where we downloaded that secure properties tool. I'll just launch the command prompt and copy it here. Yep, here is the encrypted value that we have got. Okay, so now how do we decrypt? Let's copy this command. Instead of encrypt, let's put it decrypt. The algorithm will remain the same, the key will remain the same, but the value will change now. So now we'll put the encrypted value here. Okay, and now we should be able to get the decrypted value. Go to the same command prompt and run it again. You see, now we got the decrypted value. So this is how you are able to encrypt or decrypt the sensitive properties in a MuleSoft project. Okay, if you like this video, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your time.